Pacific trade negotiators have reached a historic deal on what has become the world's largest free trade pact, accounting for 40% of the global economy. Once ratified, it will remove trade barriers for 12 countries, including the U.S., Canada, and Japan. So how big a deal is the TPP? Kim Min-ji reports.
They're calling it a historic agreement. After 5 years of talks, trade negotiators from 12 countries have struck a deal that will reduce tariffs on almost 18,000 categories, ranging from automobiles to food, and set standards for labor and the environment in the trade bloc.
We've come to an agreement that will support jobs, drive sustainable growth, foster inclusive development, and promote innovation across the Asia-Pacific region.
The trade pact, called the Trans-Pacific Partnership, or TPP, involves the U.S., Japan, Malaysia, Vietnam, and 8 other Pacific Rim countries, which together account for about 40% of the global economy. It is the largest trade pact ever, making up for more than a quarter of the world's trade volume, and covers a combined population of almost 800 million. Supporters of the deal say the agreement will facilitate higher-paying jobs, as well as boost productivity and competitiveness, and raise living standards in member countries. Some also see it as a way to counter a rising China, which is not a member of the agreement, and paves a way to open new markets for American companies. However, critics have not been happy about the negotiations, which they say have been overly secretive in nature, and argue that the trade deal will benefit large corporations and shift more jobs overseas. Although the deal is being concluded, this is just the first step in what is likely to be a long road ahead, as the participating countries take the deal back to their own governments for approval. Kim Min-ji, Arirang News.